Friends, thanks to subscribers. I love it when you ask questions. You ask some of the best questions. And I've had a subscriber ask me, I did a video several months back on the Vox VT40X, which I have one down here in front of me, and using the phone app to control it rather than a computer. So you can see I'm here an A2 user. I can go to like B2 here and it'll be So the user is asking me, he's saying he can't get to the same presets that he has when he's using the computer, but I think you can. He may just not be seeing it. You see over here to the left, you got this thing that says preset. If you touch that, now you see all these others, these Special Clean and Vox Chime and Evolution and Ecstasy and all that. Well, that's preset A. All of the presets, you see these other two here, you see preset C and preset B. Pretty sure these are, there's Unchained. I mean, man, it's crazy what all's in here. But if you got to remember to go back, and each time it makes you kind of do it. Here, Black Dog. I wonder if I don't know. So it's a little bit aggravating, and you got to keep kind of going back to it. But like preset C here, Sweet Child of Mine. I'm not going to play some of these. Best of You, Born on the Bayou. It should be a. I knew that would have a trim on it. But all your presets are still in there. Smell Like Teen Spirit, Satch Boogie. What did I just do to mess it up? Hang on. Let's see. So yeah, I think, I guess you can move them around. I didn't mean to be doing that. Time out. We're going to figure this out because this is powerful. I'm going to go back to Unchained. I like to use that. And I just, I see. All you got to do is drag it. Oh, this is so easy. So you go to preset, say I want Day Tripper, and I just drag it over to a new. So look at this, folks. My new files here. Now I've got this run. This is pretty excellent. So folks, I'm telling you, no amp for the price sounds like this. And yeah, this is very good. So to answer my friend's question, yeah, all the presets are there. You go under this thing, you find your presets, whether they're C, A, B, and then if you want to add them to your list, like Purple Rain here, you just pull this over and you put it where you want it to go. So now I've got Purple Rain, I guess. Just in case anybody asks about this guitar, this is my Squire 50s Telecaster, and this is the one with the custom pickups in it that Colton Suttles did for me. So I've got two 57 humbuckers and a P90 in the middle. So that's because usually people will ask. I'm going to do some more modifications to this guitar, which will be a future video, but I thought I'd share that with you, how the Vox Valvetronics VT40X, VT100X, VT20X, all you have to connect this little wire now. Yeah, it's USB-C on my iPhone 17, whatever it is, and it goes to a USB mini over here not one of the micros, but the mini. And I'm today, I'm not getting sponsorship or anything, but I'm using Lakato. I love these Lakato wireless system here. I've done a video about them too. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like. If you got any questions about any of this stuff, let me know. I am so happy always to get questions from people. It gives me the best ideas for videos. Thanks.